5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Metal came from the Greek word metallion. It is an element, compound, or alloy characterized by high electrical conductivity. Despite their ductility, metals are extremely durable and have high melting and boiling point. They are excellent conductors of heat and electricity and tend to form positive ions by losing electrons. Metals in general have high electric and thermal conductivity, luster and density, and the ability to be deformed under stress without cleaving. There are several metals that have low density, hardness, and melting points. There are the alkali and alkaline earth metals, which are extremely reactive and rarely encountered in their elemental and metallic form.
The story begins with a blast, as rock explodes and the raw materials of steel are tossed from the earth. The rock is sphagnite and the prize inside is crude iron ore. We take iron ore, coke, and limestone, put it into the top of the blast furnace, air it until it's very hot, hot white in fact, and at the bottom you get the molten iron, the base material from which steel is made. Making iron into steel involves removing some impurities such as carbon and silicon. In other words, it has to be refined. This is achieved by blowing oxygen onto it. Other elements are then added to adjust the steel composition and make it suitable for any one of the thousands of purposes of which it could be used. Molten steel is then solidified before reformed into a suitable usable shape. To give you more detail of how steel is made, we are going to take a closer look at each process.
Sand casting, or a sand-molded casting, is a cast part produced by forming a mold from a sand mixture and pouring molten liquid metal into the cavity in the mold. The mold is then cooled until the metal has solidified. In the last stage, the casting is separated from the mold. Blueprint. It is the first step of the process where the final design of the product is to be made. It includes the riser design, casting design, and the screw runner. Mold and die making. It is the part where the wax is made. Wax injection. In this process, the wax is poured into the mold. Wax assembly. This is the process where the intricate parts of the wax mold are assembled. Ceramic mold making. It is the part where the wax mold is coated with a thick layer of ceramic mixture. Dewaxing. The wax is removed from the ceramic mold through a machine by melting it. Melting and pouring. The melted metal, like ductile iron, were combined with different kinds of alloys. The furnace will be poured directly to the ladle. It is set aside until it cools down, while the cast iron needs to be treated with ferrosilicate magnesium before blending with alloys to form the furnace. Fettling. After cooling the metal through the ceramic mold, it is removed by cutting and grinding the mold. Finished products. The Metal Industry Research and Development Center, an agency of the Department of Science and Technology, is the sole government entity directly supporting the metals and engineering industry with services designed to enhance its competitive advantage.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Yes, sir, and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If nautical nonsense be something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants!
drop on the deck and float like a fish!
SpongeBob SquarePants!
SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants!
First I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But I spent oh so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, but I grew so